Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining the meeting. I hope you are doing well. Today, we are here for a session that we are in delay of our software delivery. So, for a quick introduction, I want to go to each of you guys and have a introduction for our meeting. Yeah, can you please introduce?
Okay, I'm Mohammad Nazmul Islamida, software engineer.
Hi, this is Tafnida here. I'm the Scrum Master.
Hi, this is Divya, and I'll be the QA and test analyst.
Thank you. So, in between this situation, can you please share what is your feelings on the current situation in
As a-
one word?
As a software, I'm a little bit frustrated.
Okay, I'm a bit concerned about the sprint goal because of these issues.
And I'm feeling a bit tired about this.
I see. Thank you for your honesty that you have shared what is in your mind. So I hope in this through this meeting we will understand the root cause of the current issue and hear each member's perspective. I'm not giving you solution, guys. You are just create a solution through your discussion, and I will try to coordinate and try to dip into the real problems and also try to find the next steps. So, can you, Nazmul, share what is the issue you are currently feeling for your software delivery, software development perspective?
Okay, I'm constantly getting last minute bugs report. It is too hard to finish anything when QA keeps finding issues late in the sprint. So I think QA could say why
Yes,
she's giving. Okay.
That's because the builds aren't stable, and we are testing under pressure, and we are not getting enough time to do it properly.
Maybe maybe if we had clear requirement and fewer changes in mid sprint, we would not be able to fall in this situation.
Okay, so we have missed this sprint goal again. So I can see that this is a third time it's happening, and it's actually starting affecting our team's morale. So we need to figure out what is going on wrong here. Let's not turn this into a blame ball game. We all want to achieve our sprint goal with quality. So, do you think we can go to sprint review with all these issues and defects? So, why these items are not highlighted in the daily stand-up meeting, by the way?
Yes. Can you make clear from your perspective, Nazmul, how can you get a clear understanding how the issues may
Yes,
arise?
yes. In Delhi stand-up meeting, this thing is communication. Maybe we does this communication, but we are not deep diving into the issue. But from my side, I'm stand-up meeting. I'm always giving the report, but I do not always know what QA needs from me
Yeah.
to clear me.
No, it's mostly the process, and we are not aligned. And whenever we are doing the testing, it's not aligned at all.
I don't agree with the team because we have already a Scrum process established. The thing is, we are not following strictly and we are reacting instead of planning something comes up newly, unexpectedly. Okay.
Yes. I understand. So Nazmul is having difficulties on his time because he wants some time before last minute delivery. So QA must be proactive to give him a nice concise issue before he deliver a module. And um, yeah, what do you
So
think? Yeah.
from my side, I need, she already said, so I need well-defined requirement, stable requirement. In the middle of something, the developer, as I'm developing, when I am done my 50% job, if you give me a new requirement and you have to change the requirement, I have to throw all the course. This is difficult to carry on from myself. So I think should be clear from UA part as well as sprint stable sprint requirement part.
Okay, to be honest, I'm testing under pressure and often at the last minute. I really need access early so that I can build on time and test on time.
Yes, I
Okay.
see.
So this is the first time I am hearing about these new issues because we have a daily stand-up meeting, but team is actually not transparent about the issues in the daily stand-up meeting. Okay, so I often find about the issues too late. So it's too late to resolve the issues, right?
I see.
We feel that.
So I can hear your feelings because we are not following a process. So what we should do, we should update our Trello board um, so that you guys are well connected and see each other's problem. So, Afnita, what are the current software issues that our client are facing? Like unfinished module, is there anything you want to address?
Yeah, I think there is a new module, password change, that
Yeah.
came up later, maybe after the sprint planning. So in the middle of the sprint, if the requirement keeps on changing, it's actually difficult for the team to accept, right? So these kind of issues will come up.
Yeah. Right. Nazmul, can you develop that module?
I could develop, but as password change, this is a generic, only a single sentence. I need the clear technical things also. What type of security in password I should keep in. That's why my request is to provide me the well-defined scope with some technical parameters that would help me to go through the code, to the good code and stable output, which could be accepted by the customer. Otherwise, some new requirement will come into my bucket into the sprint.
Yeah. So Deepak can set some algorithm for the password matching. So, Deepak, can you speak up what you can implement for the password changing or the password criteria? Like, do you want to add special character or not, or anything like that?
That would be better. So maybe I'll go with it. Can add some special characters.
If we share as a software engineer, if we share earlier our testing report with us, developer team, so we think we can make the coding on that way.
But I have a suggestion here. Before you make a decision, can we consult with the product owner? We are adding special characters and we are adding this module because he needs to prioritize it, right?
Yeah, definitely, definitely.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
you're
we all will
you're
be in
right.
deep trouble and we have to
Yeah.
rework everything again.
Yes, that's
It will
right.
take more times.
Yes.
We'll miss timeline as well, so we will have to give more effort, which is not good for us.
True. I agree with Nazmul.
And I think we have missed another module that is customer relationship module. So, Tapnita, have you done requirement analysis from the customer?
No, that customer module, I remember during last week roadmap planning that has been deprioritized. So maybe that's the reason I didn't update the team. I will hear it from the product team maybe next week meeting so that we can prioritize and then team can look for a technical specification to, decide how to go ahead with that module.
Yes, there was a miscommunication. We have only 1 week to complete this module. So, Nazmul, will you be able to complete this customer relationship module within 1 week?
Again, I have same previous dialogue. If there are some link between login module with customer relation module, I think it should be clarified from the customer point of view. So otherwise, I could do this is within 1 week. But if there any interdependency missing over here, then I have to rework again. So testing team Divya, she have to do this thing again. It will actually kill our time. So there should some interdependency should be clear earlier to start work.
And yes, we need some time to work on this, and I don't want to do at the last minute.
Can we raise this in a sprint retro meeting that we cannot accept this module if they come up bit late last next week?
No, it's fine because we don't want to work at the last minute time before delivery, and the Q and it's some time. So it looks fine that we do a round of work to align with the process. And the thing is that first requirement analysis should be done from Tapnika, and then it will be handed over to Nazmul, who is a software engineer. And later on, there will be 1 day of time for testing from the quality team. What do you think, Divya? Can you finish it by 1 day, your testing?
I think we can make it.
Okay. So, have you find any other issues from your side, Tapnita? Like
No,
any,
I think so. As long as we are delivering the current sprint items, I'm good.
and Nazmud, if we follow the process, will you be okay to?
Yes, yes, definitely. If all the requirement is well defined,
Yeah.
is your process.
And Divya will get a proper time, 1 day of time for testing. Is that okay for you?
Yes, should be fine.
Okay.
I just clarify that I need a testing heads up.
Okay. Thank you. I will have to stop you now. My session. We are concluding with some minutes. So the minute is we will follow the process. We'll update the Trello board, and we will have a good testing before our customer delivery of the software. Thank you for attending this meeting. I think we are all good. Are you happy, guys?
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you.
Yeah. Thank you for joining the meeting. We'll
Bye.
see you again.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
Bye.
you.